Hello and welcome back to Dr. Scale. This is Dr. Muhammad Awais. As you know, in our videos, we're always testing new research platforms that are empowered with AI. And if and when an existing platform introduces something genuinely useful, we take a fresh look at it. Today, SciSpace, which needs no introduction, has launched some new updates. And I'm going to walk you through what is introduced and what it practically means for researchers. Before we begin, as I always request, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you're a regular follower of this channel, I'm sure this screen is familiar to you. So this is SciSpace official web page. So as we are discussing the updates, if you look at here, My Library, if you hit here, you can upload your PDF, so you can connect with your Zotero account and import from there. I have some papers related to music and mood, so I'm going to upload them. So here there are two options, personal and shared libraries. In shared libraries, you can invite your collaborators as well. So for now, I'm using my personal notebook, upload. So here are 4 papers, and SciSpace agent will start working right away. So in my prompt, I asked there is a paper in my library, this library, titled The Impact of Music on Mood Regulation, which I already uploaded there. So how did the authors define mood in that paper? Let's ask the agent. So here you go. The study measured mood regulation of the music in mood regulation self-report scale. So this is how they defined, those statements were the definition of mood there. So you can come up with your follow-up questions as well. For whatever result the agent is producing, now you can save it to your notebook. You can create your new notebook, give it a name, music and mood, create. Now this analysis has been saved here. If you hit here, you will find music and mood, which we just saved. You can download as PDF or you can download as Markdown as well. It will save .md file, which you can use later in notebook. Next feature that we are going to explore is report writing. So let's assume I'm asking it to write literature review of 1000 words on exploring the relationship between music and mood. Now you have to create one additional line, which is and create a report for it. You can write comprehensive report, or even if you don't write the word comprehensive, SciSpace agent will create a comprehensive report for you. Let's test it. So it has started executing the plan. Now if you see it generating report, it says I will now generate a well-structured 100,000 word literature review that we asked. Before it gets generated, let's explore this one. You are already familiar. This paper is 100 by 100 relevant to our search query. Highly relevant, And as you scroll down, you will see the relevance score. This we already have explored in one of our previous videos. I have given the links to those videos in the description as well. So the report has been generated. If you hit here, you will see the whole report. Exploring the relationship between music and mood literature review. Executive summary, table of contents, introduction of that literature review, and then some subheadings. And then at the very end, you can see the references as well. The good thing about this literature review is each and every reference that it has cited are genuine and original. Let's test 2 of them. I just select the name, search on the internet. It is there. Okay. Just randomly select this one. Search on the internet. Yes, it is there. So unlike ChatGPT or other generative AI tools, this SciSpace AI agent created a report in which the references are 100% original. So just to wrap up, what these updates really do is make the research workflow feel much more integrated and less fragmented. Now we can upload our own PDFs, interact with them directly, ask focused questions instead of manually scanning pages, and we can come up with our follow-up questions as well. And from those same materials, or in general, the agent can generate structured reports as well, which can save hours. That would otherwise go into organizing notes and drafting summaries. And with Zotero integration, the papers we have already collected and curated are no longer sitting in a separate tool. They would become part of the same working environment. So analysis, note making, and writing happening in one continuous flow. Altogether, this reduces repetitive effort, cuts down tool switching, and allows more time for actual thinking, interpretation, and academic decision making. And that is where tools like SciSpace can generally improve research life. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, hit like and share it with your fellows. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.